In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel your Netflix subscription using a web browser on your computer. First, go ahead and open your browser, head over to Netflix, and sign in to your account. Once you're in, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner and select the Account menu. Right here in the Overview section, you'll see Membership Details. Go ahead and click on the Manage Membership link. This will take you to your current plan information. To cancel your plan, just scroll down and click on the Cancel Membership line. You'll see a notification letting you know that even after canceling, you can still keep using Netflix until the end of your current billing cycle. Below that, you'll find a few other options like changing your plan or pausing for a month. To finalize everything, click on Cancel and then select Finish Cancellation. Next, just pick a reason for leaving to give Netflix some feedback and hit Done to wrap it up. Now, under Manage Membership, you'll see a red notification showing the exact date your subscription will end. And that's it. You've successfully canceled. If you change your mind before the end date, you can always click the Undo Cancel Request button to keep your service active.